Shrimp avocado rice wrap. For the wrap we need rice paper, shrimps, avocado, paprika, chili pepper, rucola, sweet chili sauce, lemon juice, soy sauce, pepper and salt. Unfreeze and wash the shrimps. Cook the shrimps in salted boiling water for 1 minute. Soak rice paper in water for 1 minute. Place the rice paper on a board. Cut the paprika. Peel and cut the avocado. Cut the chili pepper. Put the vegetables in a bowl. Cut the shrimps. Add rucola to the bowl. Pour sweet chili sauce, lemon juice and soy sauce. Mix everything together. Wrap the mix in rice paper. Use as much rice paper as needed to keep the wraps intact. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!